on the lake.
And should be there. Should be KHB2.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ashland County, southwestern Lorain County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:16 p.m. a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over West Salem, or 12 miles northeast of Ashland, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wellington around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Spencer, Sullivan, and Penfield. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB59 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland.